Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the powerful world of Java programming. Especially, we will be exploring one of the most fundamental building blocks of any programming language, which are if-else statement in Java. If you are new to programming or looking to expand your Java skills, you have come to the right place. If-else statements allow you to make decisions in our coding, enabling our program in response dynamically based on different conditions. In this video, I'll walk you through the syntax of usage of if-else statements in Java along with some real-life examples to help you to modify your understanding. So let's buckle up and unlock the potential of if-else statement in Java together. So I will not waste your much time and let's get started.